Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to check RAM is DDR3 or DDR4. To start, go to the link we leave you in the video description. Click on Setup English and then complete the utility download process. When finished, click on the downloaded file. Select Run to open this. In the wizard, accept the license terms. Confirm whether you are creating the shortcut and specify the path where it will be installed. After this, click on Install to begin the app installation process. Now open the app from the search box. Wait for it to be loaded. When the utility opens, you will go to the Memory tab. There, in the Type field, you will see if it is DDR3 or DDR4. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.